In this episode, we look at the Pentest feature. Open the Pentest tab. VRadar provides automated Pentest service and manages discovered vulnerabilities. The list shows past pentests with date, scope, and finding count. Click Create New Pentest. Choose target, domain, IP range, or specific device. Choose scan type, passive, active, or full. The system runs automated scanning with specialized tools. Results are classified by OWASP Top 10 and CWE. Each finding has severity, description, proof of concept, and patch guidance. A 6-step workflow: open when newly discovered, fix_requested when patching is requested, fixing when in progress, retesting when being verified, done when confirmed patched. Pentest reports export as audit-ready PDF.